What's up guys, today's video is about the top 5 best stick welder for farm use of this year through extensive research and testing to put together a list of options. Do I have to include the links in the description box below which is updated for the best prices? Like the video. Do comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. ARCCAPTAIN 130A MIG Welder. Discover the ultimate convenience and performance with this compact, user-friendly welder designed for both beginners and experienced welders. Featuring synergic control, this machine automatically adjusts the current and wire feeding speed based on the selected wire diameter, simplifying setup and enhancing precision. Its versatile 3-in-1 design offers multiple welding modes, flux core gasless MIG, lift TIG, and MMA, allowing it to handle a wide range of tasks from home repairs to maintenance on outdoor or farm equipment. Built with safety in mind, the welder includes essential protections against overcurrent, overload, overheating, and overvoltage, ensuring long-lasting durability. Weighing just 11.79 pounds, it's remarkably portable and easy to carry using the sturdy handle or shoulder strap, making it ideal for mobile projects. The package includes everything needed to start welding right out of the box, along with additional consumables like conductive nozzles and a flux cord wire. Rigorously tested for quality and resilience, this welder promises reliable performance even in demanding conditions, ensuring professional results with every use. Number 2. ARCCAPTAIN Stick Welder. With a powerful combination of advanced technology and user-friendly design, this stick welder is perfect for both beginners and seasoned welders. Equipped with an intelligent LED screen, it offers clear, accurate data display, making it easy to monitor settings without removing your helmet. The welder's Synergy Control feature lets you adjust the current and voltage automatically based on the selected welding rod, providing consistent results on a range of rods, including 60-10, 60-11, 60-13, and 70-18. Ideal for outdoor maintenance, garage work, farm repairs, and DIY projects, it delivers reliable performance across multiple applications. Designed to be highly portable, this welder weighs only 7.2 pounds and includes a convenient handle and shoulder strap, making it easy to carry and store. The 2-in-1 functionality lets you switch between stick and lift TIG modes effortlessly. With adjustable hot start and arc force, you get smooth, stable welds every time, while the anti-stick function prevents electrode sticking. Perfect for stainless steel, mild steel, and other metals, it's a versatile tool for all your welding needs. Number 3. Hone Stick Welder. This lightweight and efficient stick welder is designed to make welding tasks simpler and more accessible, even for beginners. Built with smart hot start and arc force technology, it ensures a quick and steady arc start, producing a reliable and stable current for seamless welding. The unit is compatible with a wide range of rods, including E6013, E6011, E6010, E7018, and E30816, making it versatile and adaptable to various welding needs. Perfect for working with ferrous metals like carbon steel, medium carbon steel, mild steel, stainless steel, and cast iron, it brings robust performance to any project. Safety features include anti-stick and protections against voltage fluctuations, overcurrent, overheating, and short-circuit damage, promoting both safety and durability. At only 5.8 pounds, the welder is highly portable, featuring a handle and a shoulder strap for easy carrying. Ideal for outdoor repairs, farm tasks, road equipment maintenance, and home DIY projects, this compact welder is an excellent tool for both novice welders and seasoned professionals. Number 4. HITBOX 140A MIG Welder. This versatile MIG welder offers a seamless welding experience with its one-knob intelligent control system, automatically compensating and adjusting the welding current for precise and efficient results. Designed with portability in mind, it combines a compact and lightweight structure that makes it easy to handle and carry wherever it's needed. Operating within a current range of 3200 A, this welder provides adjustable speed and current control, ideal for a wide range of materials including thin steel, stainless steel, and thicker metals. Despite the high output potential, it maintains a duty cycle of 30% at 140A, ensuring reliability and smooth performance. Safety features include built-in overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating protection, with an automatic shutdown to prevent damage from overload. An integrated fan cooling system helps to reduce dust intake, further extending the machine's lifespan. The package comes complete with essential accessories, including a split welding gun, electrode holder, grounding clamp, and flux wire, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and professionals. Number 5. RCJNPX Welding Machine Stick Welder. This ultra-compact, multi-process welding machine is designed for versatility and convenience, making it an ideal choice for DIY projects, home repairs, automotive work, and construction sites. Its MMA stick capabilities cater to a range of welding needs, while weighing just 3.6 pounds for exceptional portability. You can easily carry it using the built-in handle or a shoulder strap, making it perfect for mobile projects, even on camping trips. Equipped with advanced IGBT inverter technology and digital controls, this welder offers a smooth, stable arc that's easy to control, making it suitable for both beginners and professional welders. Key features like hot start, anti-stick, and arc force functions further enhance usability, ensuring smooth, uninterrupted welding sessions and preventing electrode sticking. With an impressive output of up to 140 A, it can weld materials up to 13/64, 5.0 mm in thickness, handling E6013, 6011, and 7018 electrodes with ease. Safety is paramount, with VRD, overcurrent, overload, and thermal protection systems, all housed within a durable metal case to withstand various conditions. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.